Welcome back. In this movie, I'm going to show you that how you can work with vector object as a smart object. So you can bring your Illustrator file to Photoshop and that is still vector based, so you can scale it as a large you want without losing any quality. So how you can do that? Well, there's a multiple way. Let me show you. So first of all, you can see there's an image. So here we are going to place our fresh coffee logo we are created in a new vision course. So first of all, I go to file and I go to browse in breeze, and here you can see I just make it big, and you can see this is the Illustrator file. You can see there's a .ai file, so you can bring directly this into Photoshop. Well, first of all, let's make it half, and let's make it this one half too. And now I just grab this one because this is Illustrator file, and I just bring it here, and you can see this is a page open as a smart object, and now this is page selected. Now you can go ahead and click OK, or you can make it large and fit page you wish. So first of all, let's make it small and press OK, and now let's make it big, and here is the smart object. So now this is AI file and it is placed as a smart object. Now what I do, I hit enter, and now you can see this is a smart object. And now what I do, I press Ctrl T to transform it, and let's make it small, big, whatever I want. And now the best thing is that this is a vector thing, so you can scale it as much you want. This is not going to lose any quality, anything. I hit enter, and now I accept the changes. Now here you can see this is still editable. Let me show you what I mean. I press Ctrl T and let's make it big. There we go, this much big. And now what I do, I hit enter, and you can see if I just double click on this one, it will going to open Illustrator. You can see now it's open with Adobe Illustrator. And now if you want to change something here, you can just go ahead, change it, and it will going to automatically reflect in Photoshop. Let me show you. I just grab this pen tool, I just make it right symbol, okay, it's check symbol, and I just go here, there we go, and I just make it there you go, this here. And now what I do, I just go here, I just remove the strokes because we don't need any strokes, and let's fill it with any color. So I just going to fill it with something like a green. Well, this is just for demo purpose, so I just hit OK, and now you can see this is green. Press Ctrl S, so it is going to be saved here, okay. And now if I back to Photoshop, and here you can see in Photoshop this is automatically get reflected, and this is really nice. So this is the first way you can do that. So I'm going to hide this one, and now let's take a look of second way. So second way, you can save your Illustrator file as a PDF, and you can use as a PDF. Let me show you. File, go to Brace, and let's make it big, and here you can see this is a PDF one. This is the same logo, but this is the PDF one. I save as a PDF, and now I can do the same thing. So I just go ahead and make it half, and now I just grab this one here, and now I can see the models comes in open as a smart object. I hit OK, and now it's got here. And now what I can do, I can just bring it here. I can scale it as much I want, because this is a vector object, and this is really important. If you want to edit your file, your logo, your icon as a vector object in Photoshop, either you just open AI file or make it or save it as a PDF and then open it, that it will going to still be in vector format. So use AI or PDF file. So the third way you can work with that, first of all, let's make it hide, and now I go to Adobe Illustrator. So here you can see I'm in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm just going to remove this one. So third way, I can just go ahead, select all it, and press Ctrl C to copy it and get back to Photoshop. Here you can see I'm in Photoshop, and now I press Ctrl V, and now I just hit OK. As you can see, the smart object, pixel, path, shape layer. Well, smart object, I hit OK, and now you can see it's placed here, and I just make it as big I want. So this is vector object and is a smart object. So now I hit enter, and now you can see this is a smart object. So if I need to do any changes here, I just go ahead, double click on this one, and you can see it's automatically open in Illustrator. And now here I can make any change I want, and it will going to automatically reflect in Photoshop. You have already seen it, so I'm not going to make any changes here. So let's get back to Photoshop, and here I'm in Photoshop once again, and this is the final way you can work with vector object as a smart object in Photoshop. But there's a big problem. Well, what's that? Let me show you. For that, I go to this one. Here we go, and here you can see this is the mock-up of iPhone, And once again, what I do, I press Ctrl V to paste that smart object here. Here we go. This is a smart object, and now I just scale it up, and now I hit enter. You already know that. But what if I say go ahead, distort it and make it perspective to fit in this mobile phone? Well, you will say that's really easy. Press Ctrl T to bring it transform panel. Hold on your Control key and just drag it, and let me show you. You can see? No, it's not working. You can see it's not working anymore. Let me show you. If I just bring it here and I just put it here, you can see it's not working. You can see? Nope, it's not working. And this is really important thing you keep in mind. Because of this is a smart object, it's actually not a perfect smart object, because you can edit it, change it, but you can't make it perspective or distort. Let me show you. I go to edit, to transform. You can see distort, perspective and warp function is got grayed out. I mean, it's disabled. You can't distort it, perspective it and warp it. This is really important thing to keep in mind. So now what you can do with that? Well, for that I hit enter, and let's delete this one because I don't need this one anymore, and I paste it once again, Control V, smart object. And now what you do, actually you can just make it big, hit enter, and now you can see this is smart object, but you have to once again create as a smart object. So you can just right click on this one, and you can see convert to smart object, hit this one, and now it's actually smart object inside a smart object. It's actually layered. So this is a tricky part, so just remember it. And now you can make it perspective, distort or warp. Let me show you. Press Ctrl T to bring it transform panel. Now go to image, transform, and you can see this area is now again enabled, active. So now you can do whatever you want. For that, press Ctrl, and now you can just easily make it fit here, and this is going to be perfectly fit here. You can see this. This is really nice. Okay, good, hit enter, and this is really going to fit in this mobile mockup. So this is how you can work with the vector object as a smart object in Photoshop. So thank you so much, and see you in the next movie.